Welcome back once again, my friend. Gate.io is listing Project Seed in the exchange tomorrow or in the next 15 hours from now. I'm going to post or paste on the description box more details about this coin so that you can also do your own research, because this is not a financial advice. What I'm doing is just to keep you updated with coins that are being listed in different exchanges, Binance, KuCoin, just name them, and also more of cryptocurrency listings. So I will drop for you more of the information in the description box below, but let's just head straight to CoinMarketCap so that you can also see that the token is already listed on exchanges like KuCoin. But this is the current price of the token is just around 7 cents. And then look at the chart below. It shows that this is a good time to buy. Then let's come back to this chart in the next 15 hours and let's see what we're going to have, because this is just a recent update from Gate.io today. Then let's look at where you can actually buy this token and then deposit into your Gate.io. You can buy from KuCoin, Radium, PancakeSwap, and AppSwap. So it all depends on you. Please do your own research. Thank you once again for being there for me, checking out for my recent update about videos I'm posting. But please, my friend, if you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. And also, I'll also leave in the comment box below about our Telegram group. Join our Telegram group where I give out more update about any recent happenings in the crypto world. I also give free calls of cryptos to trade. You get also to meet other like-minded friends on the group. So this is it for now, but before I drop the video, let me show you that on Gate.io the coin is already listed. This is going to take some time. I didn't really want this video to take more than 2 minutes. Sorry for the extra minute, but it simply means that we are expecting this to be listed on Gate.io in the next 15 hours from now. So once that is done, that will be a good news for you. For those who missed out on KuCoin, this is an opportunity for you. Please do your own research. This is not a financial advice. This is not a financial advice, my friends. Thank you. So let's search for this token and see if it's already trading or not. You see, okay, now this is it here. 1 day to go and 1 hour to go. So let's just say in the next 24 hours, this coin is coming to Gate.io. Like it's just coming to Gate.io. So when I checked earlier, this countdown wasn't there, but they just updated it. They just updated it right away. So congratulations for those of us that will be going into this coin today, tomorrow. Wish you all the best. See you in my next video. I'm also doing more videos. Just stay tuned. Subscribe. I'm doing more videos today about Gate.io listings and launchpad programs. So their startup programs. Thank you.